Rajput, in charge of Child Safety Committee at Olympus High. Children, in my previous video, I spoke to you all about your personal safety. Today, Ms. Pooja Talwar, member of Child Safety Committee, will talk to you all about your personal safety at public places.
Dear students, myself Pooja Talwar, member of Child Safety Committee. See children, today we will talk about how we can save ourselves at public places. How we can save ourselves at bus stands, safety at bus stands, safety at railway station, safety at malls, public events. See children, first of all, whenever you are going out, and you should know about your full name, parents' name or your guardian's name, your phone number, email address, and each and every detail about yourself and your parents also. Don't move here and there, just always hold hands of your parents. If you are elder one, always take responsibility of your younger ones, hold their hands, don't move and don't even let them move. Don't talk to any stranger, anyone, and especially don't take any eatable from anyone. See children, when you are at railway station, how we can save ourselves? First of all, don't stand near the edge of the platform. Don't move here and there. Fix a waiting area or a point where we will meet. We know that everywhere we are having waiting rooms. Always fix a place if unfortunately, if you get separate from your family, where we will meet. And always recognize the color of your uppers or the t-shirts or your upper ones, what your parents or your elders are wearing, so that you can recognize them very easily. Don't rush here and there in the crowd. Don't get overexcited. See children, if we are at malls, we get very fascinated when we saw number of things, our favorite things. So we start moving here and there. No, don't do this. Always stay connected. Always be with your parents or your elder ones. And if you are elder, please always keep your younger ones with you so that you can help them out everywhere. Decide a meeting area or a waiting place if unfortunately you get separate from your family. Always give a password to your persons, or means always give a password to your younger ones, to your elder ones or your family. Means that password should be your you can say your password, means anything you can take anything for your password, means any color you can decide. Yes, our password of today is red, or any eating thing means your pizza, any password you can keep, so that if you get separate and any other one can come to you for asking you that your mother is calling you or your brother is calling you, no, just ask for the password. If any your parent or your elder one has sent that person to you, ask them the password. Please give me today's password, then only I'll go with you. That will definitely help you out. Now I will see basic points to remember. I will see points to remember, means what thing we have learned today. First of all, always know your identifying information as your full name, parents' name, your address and phone number. Always stay together, always hold hands of your elder one or your parents. Point out safe people or make in charge adults, means whosoever adult is with you, make them in charge of the day. Children who are too young to memorize, you can give them any temporary tattoos. Like we are having our ID cards, means identity cards, so we can give them identify tattoos and have a plan for what to do if you get separate from your family. Use your personal alarm or teach your younger ones a natural defense system and shout for help. Then and there, shout for help. If you are scared that you can't see your family member with you, and you can shout for that. Don't get scared. If you get scared, and then ask someone for the help. Don't start moving yourself. Point outside people or inform adults. Plan for what to do if your family gets separated. Don't look and turn, just ask for help. Always take a permission before going here and there. Suppose we are going to washroom and we are going to changing room, just ask for permission from your elder one or from your parent, and then only you can go. Don't get overexcited. See children, our safety is our motto. Child safety's motto is basically that, to make you safe wherever you are. Please be safe, be with your family. Okay children, bye bye, take care.